Okay, once you've confirmed your subscription, as we saw here, we clicked on that, and we get our message back about our confirmation. We were approved to the group. Then we will shortly get a welcome email, and it'll have right here the link for the ViralCaster for Facebook. When you click on that, it will take you to Facebook, and you can set up your web page. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and while it's coming up, I'm going to just make a comment on what we saw here. That is that when we registered our new username, you'll see that up here it still shows Raleigh's Team Builder, but down here it says click to join with Alfraglo, which is the new username that we just registered. So the chances are if you come in and you register with somebody directly, you'll be the next one in the list. If you register with somebody else on their team, then that's part of the team build process, and the person that you're registering with should also be promoting, and you'll be next on their list. So there will be several people involved in the team build process, and one or the other or several may be involved in getting you assigned to a new prospect. So I just wanted to make that plain, that this actually is an instant process. The moment we click register, it actually updated who is next in the rotation or the team build selection. Okay, now when you do that confirmation, you will also be taken to a page on the Power Teamz website that has the same information here about welcoming you to the team, the ViralCaster for the Facebook. In case you didn't check your email, that'll pop up and give you that information. You can get started right off the bat. Okay, going back to Facebook, what we have here is, again, the Viral Webcaster asking you for information, permission to have your email address, which it already has. Not sure why it asks twice, but go ahead and allow that. You're part of the team now. And when it comes up, you'll see that right here, you're now part of the Power Teamz Neucopia webcast. And this right here, either one of these links are the ones that you would promote, right here and right here. That will bring people to your webcaster, and they'll see the video just as you are and go through this process just as you did. What you need to do is go in here where it has your distributor ID. Then, as soon as it comes up, you want to put in the same ID that you registered with Neucopia. And that will give you the team build information. And I'll show you what the link looks like in just a second. Well, I'll show you the link right back over here. When we joined, it gave you the link, Power Teamz, and then it has build equals your username and invited by equals your username. And the reason the invited by is there because it might be giving your new prospects to one of your team members, and this is how it registers who you are. Let's see if that setting has come up yet. Let's give this another shot. Sometimes you just need to Okay, let's try that again. Loading. Alright, so as soon as you get this information up here, and you might want to just click on one of these others till this comes up, you'll see here that it will show right now the ID is not in there. So when I type it in, it automatically puts it in. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on this, and it'll bring up a new page for you. And you want to check and make sure that it's actually seeing you, seeing your information right here. That's brand new. You won't have any other customer. It'll be recognizing you. If it comes up with something else or a blank or something like that, then the information didn't get registered properly, or you typed in the information incorrectly in the ViralCaster right here. So that's what that link there is for. Once you have that, you click on Save. Oh, there goes that feature for popping up the page again. Okay, so once you have it, you'll save that, okay? I'm not going to save it for the demo. The Twitter widget is only if you know that you want certain things. Right now, Twitter will bring up conversations on Neucopia, which I think is good. And you can, customize that if you know how or care to. It's already done. And following up with Facebook prospects, whenever somebody comes and watches your presentation, even if they don't join the Neucopia, you will have their contact information right in here. Let me just try this again. Go there, okay. So right down in this area, it'll have information about who joined and whether or not you've sent them a follow-up message. It doesn't keep track of what messages you sent or anything like that. It's pretty basic, but gives you some amount of ability to process people that you've invited to and have watched your presentation. So there you go. You've got this set up. You'll share this link with people that you have talked to. I don't necessarily, I suppose you could broadcast it and make it available for anybody, but if you really want to make a personal touch with people, I think that is much better. So again, once you put your distributor ID in and save it, you can click on this and it'll bring up your version of the viral presentation right here, and it will have your information on the Get Access Now button. It'll have all this information about the tweeting, all this social stuff. The liking will, post to the person's web page that they're liking the video, and everything will be, set up and ready for you to watch for your prospects. And we welcome you to the Neucopia Power Team Builder and the Neucopia family. It's great to have you aboard, and thank you very much. Oh yes, one more thing I wanted to mention is that in your email it has the addresses, the URLs for these Facebook groups. Very important that you get into those groups to learn more about Neucopia and to get support from the people that are already running the program, and you can ask all kinds of questions and people are there to give you the answers that you need. Again, it's a family and we're glad to have you as part of it.